Question number 9. Okay. A golf club hits a golf ball. The graph shows the force F and which varies with the balls with time t. Okay. Which graph shows the velocity v of the ball varies with time t. Vt graph. Here given you an ft graph, find out the value of vt graph over here. Now this ft graph has three regions. See, this is region number 1, this is region number 2, this is region number 3. Now what is so special about it? In the region 1, what do we have? F is proportional to t. See, straight line, right? If f is proportional to t, a should also be proportional to t. Why? Because f equal to m into a, so f by m is a constant, right? So a should be proportional to t. If a is proportional to t, v minus u divided by t should also be proportional to t, or if I put u equal to 0, v should be proportional to t square, which means what? V should be a quadratic function of t square. If I plot a graph of v versus t, then what kind of function should I have? I should get a graph like this, right? Now let us look at the graphs and see whether I can truncate anything. See, this is going like this, so this is incorrect, this is incorrect, this is incorrect. So which one is the right one? This should be the right one. That's it, very simple. Okay, still if you want to look into it into detail, look at this here. Okay, this graph, this part of it. Here what's happening? F is proportional to minus t. Okay, put a minus t, which means v is proportional to a minus t square, which means what kind of graph you should get? This should be decreasing like this, right? Sorry, it should be, sorry, not decreasing, it should be increasing like this. It should be increasing like this. So therefore, now here you see, this part I have already described. This part v proportional to minus t square, okay, is described here. It's already here. Now this part refers to f equal to constant, f equal to constant. When I say f equal to constant, I'll write here f equal to constant, which means a equal to constant. When a equal to constant, v should be equal to proportional to t over here. V should be proportional to t, which means what? When you plot a graph of v versus t, you should get this straight line. Now you see, you have got this straight line also here. So therefore, B is the right answer. Okay, you can verify one of them immediately and go with it, or maybe you can continue doing this one, whole research. Thank you.